Hi guys, so this is the kitchen. I just wanted to show you a little video and go over the design and just explain so you can kind of visualize what I have been using. And I really like this layout because of the symmetry of the decorative hood and how it lines up with everything. And this is just a very nice kind of symmetrical elevation of the stove. I am using 4 feet freestanding stove and 4 feet paneled fridge, and it's 18-inch freezer and a 30-inch fridge. So you have more fridge than freezer, and it's a 4-foot fridge total. Garbage pull out. So as we were discussing, lots of accessories. You have your spatulas and spices on the left and right of the stove. Lots of drawers beside the stove. This would be a Lamont mechanism. I'm gonna send you a link to a video where you can see. We have another pullout which could be for more oils, or it could be a towel pullout, or just additional skinny cabinet storage. Big garbage with 4 bins. Again, take a look at the video so you can see more how that looks like. Or we can do a double bin and then additional bin in the island if you like. Dishwasher, we get a skinny cabinet. Fridge, these open shelves are actually, so one idea would be just floating very thick shelves and kind of wrap into the fridge, which would look interesting. And so I don't think I would build a cabinet around here. This would be not 3 but probably 2 thick floating shelves that would wrap around and hit into the fridge, as well as the countertop. This door is also, I'm not sure if we would actually bevel the door. This is just for look. I use the cabinet that I have in the software. We might have to modify this corner, but just an idea how the countertop turns into it. Then we have storage, lots of drawers, sink, another cabinet. We can add another garbage in the island if you like, just for this coffee station. Sorry to go back. If you need a microwave, maybe separate microwave on the bottom and a coffee maker on top. We were saying fridge, wine fridge in the bottom. I didn't do that because the cabinet is 30 inches for the coffee maker and the wine fridge is 24, so it will not look as good. So we could potentially put the wine fridge in here and make this cabinet bigger. And island, again, lots of drawers, or wine fridge or microwave drawer, whatever you guys decide. This was an overhang for 3. We can also make this island shorter and have overhang on each side, so have people sitting here on all 3 sides. If you wanted to have, let's say, 5 people sitting, not just 3 in a line. Or if we do waterfall, then that's not possible. But if we overhang, so that's another thing. You have to think about how many people are sitting at the island. But again, very balanced design. I think you have your 2 islands, so everything fits. Nothing is out of the way or blocking. You have full access to the fridge, lots of space, lots of counter space, 2 sinks. So really, this is an exciting layout, and lots of flow. So everything is flowing, everything is working nice. You have lots of storage, a ton of storage. I think, like, you have all these cabinets here, you have all these cabinets, all the islands. You're gonna have a lot of storage with this design, so it works. Now if we go to the preview, I'm gonna show you the number 5 or number 4 in that I named them. Again, similar, but it's just using the fridge in the corner beside the stove. So let me turn this off, save it. I need to save this. Okay, and no, we don't need this one. Yeah, so this is the one, presentation. Hidden lines. Okay, so this is the second option. Again, it's also very nice. So you have your 36-inch fridge, you have a 36-inch stove. Everything is a little bit more condensed, as you see, but it's if this is the option. And again, looking at, you guys hopefully have an idea of your appliance budget, but you have lots of counter space. So I'm really liking this design as well, if this is the option you guys like. it's gonna go, you know, you're a little tight here, but then all of this is your counter space. Here it's gonna be a sink as well. And again, lots of uppers. You know, we can decide to make these two glass instead of this one. And then the same idea with the shelving, they would wrap around and butt into this cabinet and keep it nice and airy in this area. Again, same idea here. So this is all pretty much the same. Sink cabinet, and yeah, so cabinets turning this way. You have your more drawers here. So everything is, you know, also your working triangle is very convenient. So this is also a nice layout. Like I said, it just, you have your fridge here, and the hood is not as symmetrical. I mean, I'm trying to keep, you know, you have the two cabinets on each side, then a corner cabinet, and then this could be a lazy Susan and garbage, and then we could add potentially more drawers here if needed. Then again, I did a lot of drawers in the island, same as here. So both of the designs will work. It just now kind of for Monday you have to see which one you like more. What's important is I guess the appliance location. That would be the most important for Monday. I mean, electrician meeting, or maybe the plumbing at least, so we know this plumbing is done. So anyways, I hope this will give you an idea, and if you guys have any questions, give me a call. But look at the picture, review, and yeah, and have fun deciding. Have an awesome weekend. Bye.